Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers, my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. Really goes a long way. But this is a package I got from Zadehkicks. So let's crack this open. And this is a shoe that I actually released weeks ago. But since he does have a lot of pre-orders, it does take a while to get the shoe. So if you actually have patience and you want good prices on pre-orders, he's the guy I go to. So, and all of his stuff is 100% legit. I know people, have asked me multiple times, whether it's on YouTube or on my Instagram, to see whether or not I think, he's legit. I've ordered multiple pairs from him before, and all of his stuff is 100% legit. So if you have patience as far as getting the shoe, that you don't need it right away, then you can wait like a couple weeks after release day, then he's a guy to go to. So here is that, and again, Zadehkicks right there. So you can see there's a Jordan 11 box right here. You got the 2-3, you got the Jumpman Jordan right there. And then basically it looks like he got this one from a Champs store, since that, I believe that's a Champs sticker right there. Size 10.5, Air Jordan 11 Retro. Suggested retail was $250. This is colorways black. Again, these are the cap and gown 11s, and again, retail was $250. My pre-order price is actually less than that shipped. So again, if you have patience as far as getting the shoe, sometimes you actually can get them under retail on a pre-order. Usually you don't see that. So okay, again, slide out box for the 11 right here. Again, you have the saying, Tinker made them shine, Mike them made them fly, you made them iconic. That's the regular shield. You got the carbon fiber paper in black. You got the white paper before that. And then here are the shoes themselves. Right there. Got the 11 right there. You got the carbon fiber. You got the Jumpman in the middle. You got the blue bottom. And then you got the patent leather, the shiny patent leather. Then you got the Jumpman right there. Kind of like a plastic Jumpman, I don't think it's metal. Then you got the 2-3 in the back, which is stitched on there. You got the laces. So you got the rope lace, but it is kind of a different rope lace, like I mentioned before in my previous video, of the ones I picked up myself, basically for a subscriber or a follower, pretty much on Instagram. And then you do have the tips as well right there. You got the Jumpman Jordan in the 3rd spacing there. But again, you guys have seen this shoe before, but there's just the pair I got from Zadehkicks right here. As you can see, 100% legit. Carbon fiber. So if you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. But again, picked up from Zadehkicks. Again, as I mentioned multiple times, 100% legit. Right, YouTube? Peace.